How do you set up barbell RDLs? I'm Dr. Morgan. I'm a physical therapist at OPAL Movement Therapy, and I'm going to show you how to set up a barbell with a rack for barbell RDLs. At the gym, most barbells are stored vertically or horizontally. In this case, they're in a vertical rack. I'm going to hold the top of the bar down towards the bottom, squat, pull it straight up, and then I'll carry it vertically to the rack I'm going to use. Then I'm just going to tip it on its side, and I'm going to do basically a barbell RDL into a deadlift to safely put the bar on the ground. Now, before I put the bar up on the rack, or if you got to the gym and there's already a bar there, before we start our RDLs, we want to make sure it's set at the right height. So here on the rig are these J hooks, because they're shaped like the letter J. They are going to be placed at a height where the bar is between the hip and the knee, so somewhere along the front of the thigh. To put these in, you usually just turn it left or right. They might be numbered, they might not be, and then the bracket goes on the outer portion and it will sit there. You can always check your work and just walk up to it to make sure that that hook hits you somewhere on the thigh, because if it's too high up, you will have to lift up with your arms to unrack it, and you'll end up using your back when it gets too heavy. If it's way too low to the ground, then you're gonna do a full rep with all that added weight, and it's just not as efficient. So instead, we want the barbell to rest on the rack between the hip and the knee. And so I will check my work. I'm gonna place it here. If I walk right into it, it's right here in front of the thighs, which is perfect. I'm going to find that transition on the bar where it goes from rough to smooth. I'm going to place my thumb on it. I'm going to wrap my thumb around to grip the bar. I'm in my little hinge. I stand up, and then I take 1, 2 steps back. Now I can do my RDLs here. I would do all of my reps, and then 1, 2 steps back. I always recommend getting comfortable with an empty bar. When we're ready to put weight on the bar, you can load it by loading plates. Typically, they're going to have 5s or 10s or the lightest. That's a good starting point. And then it's good to get in the habit of clipping it in. 2 general types of clips, metal, plastic. The metal ones, you're just going to squeeze it. It'll get bigger, and you can slide it all the way in so it's flush to the plate. The plastic ones just have a clip, you unclick it, it gets wider, and then you would place your plate and slide it on. And then it's the exact same steps. I walk into the bar so it's physically touching my thighs, thumb on that rough to smooth transition, wrap it around, I hinge, stand up, 1, 2 steps back, I do my RDLs, and then 1, 2 steps back. If you like this video, hit like or leave us a comment. If you'd like more videos like this, please send us requests. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We post every Wednesday, and we're always looking to create more content for you.